welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're going to be doing a guitar tutorial for Denver by the Lumineers in standard tuning in the key of F major. So our first chord in this song is F major. So you're barring across on that first fret, and you have your pinky and your ring finger on the third fret of the fifth and fourth string, and your middle finger on the second fret of the third string right there. And the strumming pattern is, it's like an 8 count for the F, and then like an 8 count for that A minor up here. It's the second chord. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm just doing all downstrokes. It changes just a little bit throughout the song. You hold that same position with your fingers for that chord on every single chord we're doing. So we have an F major, we have an A minor, okay, we have a C major, back to that A minor. We also have an A major, okay, G, okay, and back down that F major. The only other chord we have is hold on that G, and you'll just lift that middle finger up right there. You'll hear that in, I think, the second verse, but we'll walk through it. So anyway, you do an 8 count of F major and go up to A minor, and you do that back and forth 6 times. So you do that 6 times, and then after, on the 6 times, you go up to that C major. So you'll do like an 8 count on that C major, 8 count on that A minor, back into the F. Go up to A minor, back down to F. A minor, A major, so again, that was A minor, A major, G, F. Okay, that's a little rundown they do right before they get right back into the next verse. So the second verse, you'll go back and forth between the F and the A 4 times. Okay, and then what you'll do is you'll go up to that C major and you'll hold on that for a while. Here's that one part I was talking about. So, like I said, they'll go back and forth between F major and A minor 4 times, and then they'll hold on that C major, okay? And they'll go down that G minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like a 2 count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then back into that kind of chorus. And this is where the chorus kind of changes a little bit. I'm doing F major, F minor, A major, okay? So you got 8 beats on the F major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 beats on the A minor, 4 beats on the A major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So they'll do that 3 times, and they'll hold on that G minor. What did you know that I did not? So again, that's that G minor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this twice. And then it'll go through the third verse again. So same thing, F major, A minor 4 times, and then it holds on that C. That's the whole song right there. It's an awesome song. I love it. Hope this helped you out. It wears out your fingers just a little bit, and I know there's a lot of squeaks going on here and there, so you just got to pick up your fingers when you're moving back and forth, and it's going to be a fun song to play. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.